An alternative method is the use of lip marking with concerns of a continue as line marking with lip across the line and regular intervals. There were first alert signs for you on finer material as and with line marking to separate the edge of melon. The objective of the masking is to make the lost side be seen clearly by motorists in Bodia and nighttime. It also provides an audible voice-based story warning to motorists than rare cars are swerving off the road. When these are used in picking roads, they can reduce accidents on motorways. Thus drivers have confidence in using the motorway with this standard. Thank you.